You manage a Power BI report that sources a date table and a sales table from an Azure SQL database. The sales table references three separate date foreign keys: due date, order date, and delivery date. You are required to enable sales analysis across time for all of these date fields using a single date dimension. Solution: you establish inactive relationships between the sales table and the date table for each of the supplementary date foreign keys. Does this achieve the objective? Option A, yes. Option B, no.
In my view, the correct answer is option A, yes. In Power BI, when you have multiple date foreign keys in a fact table, like due date, order date, and delivery date, linking to a single shared date table, you can only have one active relationship at a time. To support filtering by other dates without ambiguity, you create one active and multiple inactive relationships. You can then use the Use Relationship function in DAX measures to activate the specific inactive relationships when calculating sales for those dates. Therefore, adding inactive relationships successfully meets the goal, making option B incorrect.